Hi everyone. Uh, so in this video, we'll talk about the test series. That what are the I was getting the multiple queries regarding the test series, that how to enroll for the test, then how many numbers of test series we'll be getting, then how the interface will be. So I was getting the multiple small here and there queries. So I thought that I'll prepare a complete guidance video, and that I'll talk about the complete test series from A to Z, that how to enroll, then how the interface will look like, then do you get the virtual calculator or not, then the report part, okay, that the post exam, how the report, then analysis part, that how you have given your test, where you have lag, that how much time you have spent on the each questions, then in which part you are slightly weak. So all those things we'll talk about each and everything. Okay, so before starting the video, let me give my some of you might be not knowing. My name is Dipendra. Currently working in the currently I'm working in the IT Kanpur in the advanced combustion laboratory. And my specialized area is the ammonia combustion. Okay, so anyway, so this was a small introduction about me. So before going into the test series part, let me talk about some few things and that might help you. Okay. So before we jump into the test series part, let me make few points. Okay, it will be very beneficial and helpful for the students. Those are serious students, serious candidates for the GATE Aerospace exam. Okay, and I'll insist you to implement this in your preparation as well. Okay, so what I wanted to convey is that most of the students thinks that completing the syllabus is more than enough for our GATE exam and getting into the IIT. But the reality is GATE is not just a knowledge exam. Okay, it is a performance kind of exam. So if you think in this way, the difference between AIR 50 and AIR 500 is often not because one students know more, right? But because one student has practiced under extreme exam pressure conditions, and they uses the rigorous test series for the multiple topics, and they get into this top AIR rank positions. So the good test series helps you to identify your weak areas, okay, improves your speed, reduces your silly mistakes, and most importantly, builds your confidence before the final actual exam. That too in the month of your Feb, right? So every test teaches you something new. Even if your score is low, in fact, low score during preparations are much better than getting surprised in the final exam, right? So don't wait until the syllabus is complete. Start giving test alongside your preparation as you complete the any topic. Let's say for example you completed the thin walled beam. So once you complete the thin walled beam, start giving test. Give the test for thin walled beam and check your understanding level, right? So this kind of thing I'm suggesting. So don't wait for just completing the syllabus, then I'll start giving that, then I'll be giving start giving the test. No, this is the wrong approach. Okay, so analyze every mistakes, okay, and keep improving. That's how consistent ranker prepare. So now if you are planning to join the GATE test series, let me quickly show you the complete enrollment process step by step. Just it will take the couple of minutes, and I'll show you each and everything, then we'll wrap it up. Okay, so let me show you how you can enroll for the test series. Okay, so uh, you can search the GATE Aerospace Learning or GAL, okay, or else I'll provide the website link in the description. So you come to the website this first, go through this once, complete website. You can read the testimonials and each and everything. Now it is the fourth edition of the test. Okay, we have done the modification in the fourth time. So people have used before as well, and they have performed very good. They have got very good ranks, and they have went to the different old IITs. Okay, so then you can go through these ones. Okay, now let me show you now let me show you how you can enroll for this test. So before enrolling for the full length test series, okay, what I'll suggest that you can appear for the free trials, and in the free trial test, you can see each and everything, whatever the in terms of facilities you will be getting. Okay, the report generation part, then we say right that how much time we have spent on each questions. Those things you can easily see. So what are the things you will be getting? You can easily get the idea. Okay, now those who are interested to enroll for the test series, what they need to do, I'll go through the and I'll show you these steps. So if you are new to this website, first you need to register yourself. Okay, so first you need to click on the sign up button. Okay, fill your basic details and verify yourself. You will getting the one OTP in your probably in the email ID. Submit that OTP and get registered yourself. Okay, So first you need to create your account. Okay, now once you have created your account, you need to click on the login. Now in the login, you provide your user ID and password, and let me do that for the demo purpose. For the demo purpose, I'll be using one student account. Let me show you then. Now once you click on the login button, you will come to this dashboard. Okay, now on the left hand side you can see your name and the main navigation bar. Okay, so first you need to, if you want to purchase, first you go into the buy courses. Okay, now let's say for example, if you want to buy this test series all core aerospace subjects, which is having price of this, okay, 2099. So what you need to do, you need to click on the add to cart, or before that you can see the complete details for this test. So click on this option. Okay, so once you click on this, you will see the complete details. Okay, the complete description you can find out. Let me zoom in so that it will help you. Okay, so you'll find the complete detail in the description. Then the number of tests you can also see. Okay, then each test, you will each test having a name. Okay, for example, jet propulsion basics, then small description of it, that how many number of question is there, total 20 questions are there, then duration provided for this question is 40 minutes, then the total marks, consists of 36. Okay, then the similarly you can also check another, so number of test, topic wise test or subject wise test you can see. Okay, you can check. So your propulsion, complete your aircraft propulsion, jet propulsion and the turbo machinery part, covering the total 20 number of tests, including thermodynamics. Okay, similarly aircraft structure. So if you see aircraft structures, you have the complete, including your vibration. It is having total number 22 number of tests. Okay, so, and then the gas dynamics. Similarly, you can see in everything. Okay, number of tests you can see. So okay, you can go through these ones, right? Then the special thing I would show you, that yes, this combined test. So this combined test will help you to get yourself transient from the subject wise test to the full length mock exam. So before that you must appear for the combined test. What this combined test is, that you have the two subject combination test. Okay, so it will take you from level up, it will take you level up, it will give you the level up situation, that initially you are giving the single topic wise or the subject wise test. Now this test will check you that how you are behaving, how you are performing when you have a two or three number of combined subject exam, then how you are performing. So this kind of situation, it is better before going for the final full mock exam. So it is better. So this combined test will definitely help you. Okay, so similarly, now if you want to enroll for this test, okay, let's say, so just you have to click on the add to cart button. Okay, once you click on this, you will go to checkout cart. Okay, now here if you have a coupon, you can apply the coupon and you can avail the discount, or now you can proceed for payment option. Okay, so once you click on this, you will end up in the razor pay page. Now here you need to provide your contact details, then you can do the payment work. Okay, now let me show you that let me show you one test. Okay, in that you can see how the interface is appearing to you. Okay, then the virtual calc, I'll show you that the interface is exactly like your GATE exam. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, now let's say you enrolled for any of the package of test. Okay, so go to dashboard. Okay, now once you enroll in the test, you will find that package in the my courses. Okay, click on my courses. So let's say I have enrolled for this complete aerospace test series, so I'll get my all the test here. Okay, of aircraft propulsion, similarly rocket propulsion, gas dynamics, and all the test will be here. Okay, so in the complete aerospace test series, you have the all core subject test from aircraft propulsion, rocket propulsion, gas dynamics, aerodynamics, aircraft structures, space mechanics, airplane performance, stability and control, then fluid mechanics, and the engineering mathematics, then aptitude, then the combined test, which we have already talked about, then the full mega mock exam. So total we have eight mock exam as of now. I'll be uploading the two more exam in the coming days. So you will be having the 10 full mock exam, and number of tests, if I'll talk about, I guess it will be 127 plus tests you will be having in the complete test series. Okay, so it is not, so this test will not be containing any previous year questions. Okay, it is all the questions are new questions. It does not make any sense to put all those questions, because you already have those questions in the open source. Okay, you can simply search it and you can simply Google it, you will find those questions. So it does not make any sense to put in the test series, right? So I have not put it that. So now let me show you the any of the test and the report part. So let me show you this one. To be in aerodynamics, we have the ideal potential. Let's see this ideal potential flow 2. Okay, so we have total number of 20 number of questions. So you will click on the start test. Okay, so once you will click, so this the interface which you are seeing, okay, this is similarly and exactly same to the your gate exam interface. Okay, so click on the proceed and here checkbox, then start exam. So now this is the interface exactly of your exam, gate exam, actual gate exam. So this is how it will look like. So now you have the MSQ. This is MSQ. Okay, MAQ and MSQ both are one in the same thing. So MSQ now it is having +1 and negative of 0. So those who are familiar, if not, MSQ does not have the negative marks, right? So now you have this option, question paper. So if you click on the question paper, you can see all the question in one shot. Okay, all the question in one shot. So this is how you can see the question papers. And this option you will also get in the actual gate exam. Okay, you will be having this question paper option. Once you click on it, you will see all the questions appearing in front of you. Okay, now this is the question palette. Here you will have, let's say if I have marked this question, okay, and if I'll click, now it is, as of now it is red, right? Once I'll submit it, it will appear to be green. Okay, that means you have answered this question. So please see this one, top right corner. Okay, now let's talk about the virtual calculator. So this is how your virtual calculator will be. Okay, and similarly this will be in your gate exam. Okay, now you can see here you have a plus +1 and negative 0.33. That means it is MCQ, which is having the negative marks of 0.33. Okay, so let me show you this ones. Okay, so this was the ideal potential flow 2, right? Okay, so what I'll do, I'll submit this test. Okay, you can do this, you can submit. Let me randomly put the answers and we'll submit this question. And I wanted to show you the report part, how the report is generated, what are the things you will be getting. Okay, I'm randomly giving the answers so that we can check the report. Let's skip some of the questions also. Okay, let me submit the exam. Okay, okay, so we have submitted the exam. Now we can see the report. Okay, now see this report is generated now. So now you can see the max, how much score you got. Your score is 6.35, right? Then you can also get the rank compared to the other students, how you're performing. Okay, then the incorrect questions, the corrected questions. Okay, time taken, total time taken. Okay, now let's see the this table is also beneficial. Okay, when you appear for the full mock exam, you will have different subjects here. So in each subjects you can see how much marks you have got, right? Then you have the question wise. In question wise, how much time you have taken. So see, first question we have taken the 71 seconds, right? So you can see for each questions how much time you have taken, then the total time, then compare with the toppers, right? Then the solution part. So in the solution part you can see where you have done the mistakes. Okay, in the which question you have got correct, or in which question you have got incorrect, everything you can see. Okay, now you have one more option. Let me show you. Okay, yes, this one. If you find this question suspicious, let's say, okay, so what you can do, you can keep this for you can keep this in your bookmark question. So once you bookmark this, see, now you can, let's say these two questions you have bookmarked. Okay, bookmark, then you can go through this, go in the bookmark questions option. You will find this question. Let's say you are struggling in this question. Okay, or you were struggling in the question, you were struggling in at the time of test, let's say. So you can bookmark this and you can do this you can do this question multiple times practice in once you go in the bookmark section, right? So these are the features you will be getting. You can also report the question if you find suspicious that key is incorrect. So you can also report that. Okay, and that message will come to me and I'll check that and I'll revert back to you for that. Okay, so this was the all about the test series. Okay, now I hope you will most of the students were having the doubt related to the test series, few here and there, probably hope it got cleared. Okay, so if you're having any doubt, If you want to discuss something, you can connect me over. I'll provide my contact details. You can connect me over there. Okay. So all the best for your preparation. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.